my name is Emma C. and I go to Lynbrook High School and I'm a rising sophomore. So my project is to correct bad posture, and my second milestone was getting the flex sensor to work and putting it on the ball that the user will sit on. So basically what happens is when the user sits down at first, it takes that value as the baseline, and then it compares if the user is in a bad posture versus in a good posture. So if I reset the code and the user sits on it like this is good posture. But if they bend and slouch, this flex sensor will bend, and here you can see that it shows that it's bad posture. So that's essentially what my second milestone is. Some of the technical components is the flex sensor. So essentially, the values that it outputs is related to the resistance of the flex sensor. So the more resistance it gives, then the values increase, which shows that it has bad posture. Some of the challenges that I had during the second milestone was that my flex sensor had code that originally worked, but then I had to use the serial plotter to see the overall trend of what values that the flex sensor was outputting. So I had to download Arduino IDE version 2, and in order to do that I had to quit version 1. And when I quit it, I didn't save my code, so it took me a long time to rewrite the code and find the components to how it worked before. And another hardship that I had during the second milestone was to get the mapping values, or the range of values that the flex sensor originally outputs, to be in degrees, so that's easier for the user to read. And I had to recalibrate that for a different sensor because I switched my sensor, so compared to the code, I had to recalibrate my entire code and the values because the sensor was different. So my next step is to connect my flex sensor to LEDs so that when it outputs that it is bad posture, it won't just show on the serial monitor, but it will show, the LED will light up. Thank you.